I want to ask you about one more sort of piece of Jewish life. You mentioned something about the Catskills.
Oh my goodness, the Kukh-aleyns. Well, that was not part of the Lower East Side. That was Brooklyn. That was people that had more money went to the Catskills. But my mother wanted us to be in the Catskills, so she found a way. And there were, for the lower class, there were Kukh-aleyns, which you go to the country and you find a farm or, cottages for Jews that cooked themselves. They cooked by themselves. They had a kitchen, and they had, each section of the kitchen had a gas stove, and it had a cabinet where you put your pots underneath. You had the stove and the pots, and everybody shared the sink. Or you shared the pump outside. You pumped water from outside. So those were the more humble people.